almost that time.
We're about to shred this shit. Got the new shoes, got some new shoes, some DCs, call me Rob Deerdeck. You ready? Yep, hit it, I'll follow you guys. We're live, baby.
Alright.
I'll get the...
I'll see you boys at the bottom.
At the bottom. I'll try not to wreck. Stay out the trees, boys. No grinding too hard.
When I pull up, I'm gonna whip it.
Terry wasn't feeling like himself. He got a Snickers.
We got a
Right here. All right, I'm gonna drop the GoPro right here. We'll find it later.
oh shit.
Go search for it.
You guys, I'm fucked up.
It's looking a little shit today, to be honest.
Dude, we're out here for this guy's
icy.
birthday. It's this guy's birthday week or weekend, whatever you want to say.
I'm calling it the week.
And
you know what the message is for his birthday? To all you fucking bozos out there, stop fucking littering.
Stop littering. Yeah. What is all this garbage down here?
Fucking loser. How do you
Pussies.
litter?
Who's even drinking a White Claw in here? They tried to sue my boy Trevor Wallace. Don't fuck with White Claws no more. We're out here, boys. About to ride down this. I don't know where the lift is to get back up, but we're going down this, baby. We're here after you.
Rock and roll, brother.
Emergency fall forward. All rapid. Lucas has had the camera for 1 minute, 2 minutes maybe, and already dropped it.
2 minutes, baby. 2 minutes in. Let's see how many times I eat shit. Promo. Maybo vlogs, baby. Click the link below, you can get a hoodie like this. Look at this girl, get it in, get it in, get it in. You know she can't get away from me. I'm fucking keeping up. You can't keep up with me, I'm about to surpass you. What's up with the what's up? Hey, if you don't know how to snowboard, I highly recommend it. It's pretty life-changing. It's pretty fun. I'm about to hit this. Oh shit, I'm not going back to that. Ow. I knocked the wind out of me. Fuck. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Wow. Ow.
This is the new whip. Cool car. I want to make it even cooler, make it even faster, so I can take on my boys who all have some very fast cars. So we'll see. That's the plan for this thing. I might need to just buy a separate engine though, so I don't have this thing apart and not running at the same time while I'm building an engine. So yeah, stay tuned. Car runs good. I like how it runs. Knock on wood, I haven't installed it yet in SoCal at all, so I'm pretty pumped on that. This person's about to run a red. You're not allowed to run a red. Boom! Smashed by the dumpster, garbage truck, whatever. So we just give this thing a full wrap. Now it's time to get the Resonator Delete on this thing. It's looking pretty clean. We painted the calipers as well. And I'm just out here waiting for my Uber, you know? Arrived in style.
Ah, come on, man.
This one.
Oh, I think that's that one.
Block me out, it blocked me out. Robocall stay out. Put my guns in the house. H-Town nigga, where you from? Where you from? Where you from? Yeah, where you from? Where you from?
Dude, imagine when you have fucking.
Dude, half of this guy's car is missing. What happened? I don't get it. I don't understand. So, here is the resonator that got taken out. You can see it's a decent size one. It's out. We'll do a startup in a second here.
Forgetting to actually place that order sitting in your
Fucking guy. Give it some like